Jerusalema ikhaya lami, ilondoloze uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Jerusalema ikhaya lami, ilondoloze uhambe nami, zungangishilana.
Forget your mom. This why you're happy like this. What's going on?
How will I not be happy? How? In this Maiduguri that we are staying, in this Borno state, if you don't look for what will make you happy, you will die young, my brother. You will die young. You know today is what? Today I'm celebrating 8 years anniversary of our complete black network off. Network blackout in Maiduguri. It was 8 years now.
Wow.
That we were being restored back.
Amazing.
Maiduguri have seen this. And today, our neighbor is 5 months now, no light. If I'm not excited, what will I do? I will kill myself. With all this insecurity, with the economy, everything is expensive. With everything happening around, no, everybody are forsaking us. Nobody is talking about our lights. Nobody, we are left on our own. We have to be excited. We have to make sure that we look for something that will make us happy. If not, you will kill yourself. The young generation will die young, and the old have finished their own. So we have to be excited.
Dawo yami, alikolana, buso wami.